What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So right now it is like, what time is it? It's like 7 o'clock. I'm about to head out and go to a Halloween party. I just finished getting ready. And y'all, I just threw this on. I didn't have no type of costume, so this was last minute because this is all I had. I guess I'm gonna be like a gothic baddie because this is all I could find, y'all. Last minute. I did not buy a costume whatsoever, so this is going to be my costume for the night. It's kind of cute, y'all. And if you don't know, I wore this last year for, what was it? Valentine's Day. So if you watch that video, you will see when I got this. So I only wore it that one time, so I decided to bring it out for tonight. So yeah, that's what it's going to be. I did not know what else to put on, y'all. So I was like, I'm going to be a gothic baddie, so that's what it's gonna be. I didn't want to be plain gothic. I want it to be a gothic baddie. But I might stop by the store and see what else I can find. I don't know, because I feel like it's other stuff that I need. Some stuff is missing. And I'm also about to Google gothic girls just to see what they got on, to see if I need to add something. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm currently waiting on my sister and we're gonna head out.
Can I say hi?
All right, roll call. Where my kids at? Hey, where my kids at? Hey, where my kids at? Hey. All right.
Yeah, so who we got?
Who we got?
The little one.
Carmen, Cairo, Brooklyn. I'm out of breath. All right, I gotta put my phone back on the charger.
Look at your bed.
But we about to head out in a minute.
Papa Trap.
Huh?
Papa Trap.
Y'all, I'm at Walmart. I feel so exposed with this on. Oh my God, I feel like people staring at me. But who cares? Oh my God, this is so scary. Oh, Lexi's in there. All right, y'all. I'm at my sister's house right now, and I'm about to go ahead and put on the rest of my accessories that I got from Walmart. I'm tired, but let me show y'all what I got.
Mommy.
Huh?
I don't want this anymore.
Put it on the table.
I want the candy.
So I ended up getting these little bows. I got some chokers. I got necklaces. I got this necklace, bracelets. And y'all, this is stuff that I can wear like on a day-to-day basis. So it's not just for tonight. It's stuff that I can use afterwards. Y'all get what I'm saying? But I'm going to put this stuff on and I'll be back. I need to wet my hair a little bit, put some mousse on it, and I'll be back, y'all. I don't have my tripod, so I can't show y'all what I'm doing. So I'll be back. I feel like the camera not really doing it any justice, but I'm cute. Yeah, the camera ain't giving it no justice. Two shots in, two little shots. Cheers. Look like a blueberry. Hey, okay. Yeah. Hey, twins. Brooklyn, why y'all always looking angry? Ugh. Look at this plate, y'all. Look at this mother effing plate. Good morning, y'all. It is a new day. It is now Tuesday. I think today is Tuesday. And I think the last thing I recorded was the Sunday dinner. So today is Tuesday. I got a lot to clean up around the house. Like, there's just so much to do. I've been so tired these past couple days. I ain't really been doing nothing, y'all. I've been trying to catch up on sleep because we've been on go all weekend. Friday, I went to a party. Went to bed late. Saturday, I went to a cookout, went to bed late, and then Sunday, I went to my sister's house, and I think I got up early. Like, it's just, My schedule is off. Like, my sleep schedule is so off. Like, it is so off. It get like that every so often. And I hate when they do that because I be so tired, y'all. I be exhausted. So yeah, today I'm pretty much just cleaning up around the house. So that's pretty much what my day is going to consist of. And I don't think I'm going to vlog that. I just want to go ahead and get it done. So I don't really have time to set up the camera and do all that. So I just want to go ahead and clean up, get it done, get it out the way so I can focus. Because y'all know, if my house is a mess, my mind is a mess. Like, I just can't think straight. Like, clean house, clear mind. That's the way I see it. If my house is a mess, like, I'm a mess. So I got a lot to clean up, put things in place, because I ain't really been doing nothing, y'all. I've been tired. And sometimes I be feeling a little depressed. I don't know. I just get in these moods where I just be so depressed. But I'm sure we all have those phases where we just feel a little down, like feel like we in a little funk. So yeah, I got to get out this funk. I got to get out of it. So yeah, I'm going to spend the day cleaning up, listening to music so I can get my mind back right. And then what I got to do today? So I ordered the kids a costume. Kairos is going to be here today. Carmen's going to be here tomorrow. And the one that I ordered for Brooklyn was sold out. So I'm gonna have to find her another costume. What else? Carmen is having a Halloween party at her school, which is the 30th. So that's Thursday, the day before Halloween. And everybody had to bring something. So I'm doing like a little platter, the turkey, cheese, ham, all of that. So I just ordered that from the store. So it was a store-bought platter. So she gonna take that to school. So I just did like a little Walmart order. I don't know when that's gonna be here. But yeah, I just ordered that from Walmart. It'll be here sometime today. I think she gotta take it to school tomorrow. So I might take it to her school tomorrow and drop it off. Because I don't know if I want her to take it on the bus. I don't know. But yeah. What else? Oh, I also ordered some little cups and plates, like some little Halloween cups and plates, because I think I want to do another little Halloween movie night with the kids. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, if y'all ever see me looking over here, it's stuff wrote everywhere. Like, I got like papers on my wall. I got a dry erase board. So any little thing, I write it down so I can look at it. Like, if it's anything I gotta buy, I write it down. Like, as soon as I think of it, I write it down so I won't forget. So any little thing I gotta do, I just write it down and I just look at my wall and see what I gotta do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But I will show y'all the stuff once it gets here. What else? I need to go check the mailbox because I'm supposed to be working with this brand. They sent me an email. They said the product is on the way, so it already shipped out. But that was like almost 2 weeks ago. So I don't know, but sometimes the stuff do take 2 weeks to come. So I don't know. I'm gonna go check the mailbox right quick and see if it came, because the mail woman just left. So we're gonna go check the mailbox and then I'm come back and clean up. So that's what we about to do. All right, let's go. I gotta put a jacket on. I hate these steps, y'all. They're so freaking dirty. Ugh. Make the apartment look ugly. There's nothing in here. Oh my goodness. Where is that freaking thing? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this house and I will be back on camera once I get my order so I can show y'all what I got.
And we're going to food.
Oh, I forgot y'all juice. So Cairo is on the toilet right now.
I know how to open it. Mom, I would just say that.
We ain't want to think about it. I forgot the wrench for the cucumbers. Let me see. Practice the letter F. Yeah. Just practice these. But y'all, I did get my order from Walmart. It just came, so. But y'all, my order did come from Walmart. So let me show y'all what I got. The costume didn't come yet. I think Cairo costume come today. Carmen's come tomorrow. And I still got to get Brooklyn one. But this stuff that I ordered is just like snacks for Carmen party. and some other stuff that I got. All right, so I ended up getting, well, these not the ones that I picked out. I guess these are a substitute. But I got these little cups, little Halloween cups. And then I just got some orange plates to match the vibe. So got that. 'Cause I want to do another Halloween movie night. So I got that. So this is the platter that I'm taking to Carmen's school for her Halloween party. So this is what I'm bringing. Well, this is what she's bringing for her party. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, and I think I got to turn it in tomorrow. So I'm gonna take it to the school tomorrow. And then I just got these Tostitos because I'm making some rotel when we do our little movie night. And that's pretty much it in this little haul. All right, y'all, that's gonna wrap up this video. I really didn't want to end it like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and end it. And y'all just stay tuned to the next video so y'all can see the kids' costumes and all of that. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, do all of that. So thank y'all for watching, and we will see y'all in the next vlog. Peace. Bye.